In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a social media website with Wix. To begin, you will go to Wix and start a brand new project. Click Create New Site, and take a moment to notice that you are entering the setup flow for building your next website. Creating a new site first matters because it ensures you are starting from the right template options and editor tools, rather than modifying something that already has a structure. If you see different categories or starting points, stay focused on the main button that clearly says Create New Site, so you do not get stuck in a pre-existing design. Next, you will open the Wix Harmony Editor. Click Wix Harmony Editor, and wait for the interface to load. This is where Wix helps you plan and generate elements more smoothly, which is especially helpful for a social media style site. If the screen changes or prompts you with editor choices, simply confirm that you are in the Harmony Editor experience before moving on. After that, you will be prompted to choose between Let's Go and Skip Chat. Pick Let's Go or Skip Chat. If you want the guided experience, choose Let's Go, which will walk you through a short setup conversation. If you prefer to move quickly, choose Skip Chat, so you can enter your site details without additional prompts. Either choice is fine, and the important part is that you select one so the setup can continue. Now you will enter a description of what your website should do. Find the input area where you can type what you want, and enter this exact idea. Create a social media website where users can create profiles, post content, follow other users, and interact with posts. Make sure you include all of those core features in your description, because Wix uses this text to generate the structure and relevant elements. Take a moment to read what you entered, and confirm that it matches your goal for a social media website. Once you have entered the description, you will answer the questions based on your website. Follow the prompts on screen and provide choices that reflect the type of community you want to build. These questions help the editor tailor layout, suggested sections, and the overall direction of the site. As you respond, keep your focus on how users will experience the site, such as how they view profiles, how they browse posts, and how interaction is represented. When you finish answering the questions, you will move to the generation step. Click Generate or go to Dashboard. If you choose Generate, Wix will create the site experience based on the information you provided. If you choose Go to Dashboard, it may take you straight to where you can review and refine the project. Either way, you should end up in a place where you can see the initial draft of your social media website. At this point, take a quick moment to look over what Wix produced. You are not required to make major changes right away, but you should confirm that the core elements are present, such as areas for profiles, space for posting content, and pathways for following and interacting. This quick review helps you catch any mismatch early, before you spend time polishing details. Finally, once you are satisfied that the site outline matches your description, you are ready to continue editing and customizing it further. You can adjust the look, refine sections, and prepare the experience so it feels like a complete social platform. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.